Here's how to connect PayPal to your Binance account for faster deposits and withdrawals. First, log in to your Binance account. If you're new, click Get Started and follow the prompts to set up your account. Linking PayPal to Binance is beneficial because PayPal is widely accepted and transactions are often quicker than traditional bank transfers. You can do this using either the Binance mobile app or web version. Steps are similar. For this guide, we'll use the website. Method 1. Buy crypto using PayPal. On the Binance dashboard, go to Buy Crypto and choose a PayPal-supported cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, or PayPal USD. When prompted, select PayPal as your payment method. Authorize the transaction through PayPal to complete the purchase. This process will also link your PayPal account for future use. Method 2. Add PayPal as a payment method. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings, then Payment Methods. Select Add Payment Method and choose PayPal. Follow the instructions to link your account. Keep in mind that your Binance account must be fully verified before you can add PayPal as a payment method. Need help? If you run into issues, visit the Binance Help Center under Account Management or contact support directly for assistance. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.